For more than half a century, Mr. Gasket has been the go-to source for racers, offering a full line of gaskets, fasteners, and more. Mr. Gasket's ever-expanding line of plumbing products continues this tradition with high-quality hoses, hose ends, adapters, and even installation tools. Today we're looking at different styles of Mr. Gasket hoses available and when to choose one over the other for your project. Offered in black nylon braided, stainless steel braided, and synthetic rubber push-on, each hose has its distinct advantages and applications. All are high-quality hoses and are readily available solutions for your off-season projects or maintenance that won't break the bank. A good rule of thumb when choosing the hose for your particular project is to first make sure to select one with the correct pressure and fluid compatibility. Then choose based on appearance and price. With that in mind, let's get a look at all the different styles available from Mr. Gasket and take some of the guesswork out of your plumbing project. Mr. Gasket's black nylon braided hose has a special inner liner which makes it more resistant to fuels than most synthetic rubber AN hoses, and it's lighter than traditional stainless braided hose. It is designed for use with Mr. Gasket swivel style hose ends and is available in 6AN, 8AN, 10AN, and 12AN sizes. It comes packaged in 3-foot, 6-foot, 10-foot, or 20-foot lengths and can handle a maximum of 350 psi. It can be used with automatic transmission fluid, coolant, diesel, E85, pump or race gas, and oil too, and has a temperature range of -40 degrees to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. The classic black nylon braided outer looks clean in any install and matches most other brands of plumbing as well. And when it comes to installation, it's easy to cut and won't scratch or mar painted or polished surfaces that it may come in contact with. Mr. Gasket's stainless steel braided hose has similar benefits of our black nylon braided hose, but with a tough stainless steel outer liner. While weighing a bit more than braided nylon, a stainless steel outer will take a little more abuse in the event of chafing or when subjected to higher heat, and has been proven tough and reliable for years in the harshest of racing environments. Also available in 6AN, 8AN, 10AN, and 12AN sizes, it too comes packaged in 3, 6, 10, and 20-foot lengths and has a maximum working pressure of 350 psi. Mr. Gasket's stainless steel braided AN hose is recommended for use with coolant, automatic transmission fluid, diesel, and race gas, and has a temperature range of -40 degrees to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Mr. Gasket's black push-on hose is manufactured from synthetic rubber with a reinforced fiber braid. This hose is a great choice if you're finishing up an engine swap in your driver or performing some winter maintenance. While it has a lower working PSI than Mr. Gasket's black nylon or stainless steel braided hose, the push-on hose offers the advantage of being easy to install using Mr. Gasket push-on hose ends. The textured surface offers great grip even if your hands happen to come into contact with the assembly lube. Offered in 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12AN sizes, it also comes in 3-foot, 6-foot, 10-foot, and 20-foot lengths. Mr. Gasket push-on hose is recommended for use with automatic transmission fluid, coolant, and oil. The working temperature range is -40 degrees to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, with a maximum working pressure of 250 psi. Knowing what hose to use for your project is a great first step in making things go smoothly and ensure reliability. Be sure to use the recommended fittings, assembly lube, and tools for your selected hose. Thanks for watching. You can find more hose information and more at MrGasket.com.